Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GRT. GRT has recently broken out a down channel on the daily time frame chart. You can see that for the past several weeks or months, it was moving inside this channel since after the month of Feb 2024. And a few days ago here on 7th of November 2024, by the way, we broke out the channel and right now GRT has recently broken out another quite long-term resistance of 30 cents as well. And before the breakout, we also tested this quite long-term uptrend line support as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this was the uptrend line of another up channel. At the same time, GRT is also moving inside this up channel. And recently, the price is once again bounced very well from the support of this channel. And after this bounce, the price also broke out this smaller down channel as well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this up channel. And I would also like to show you a very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term down channel as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for GRT that I shared a few days ago on 22nd of November 2024 with my members. And this signal has produced almost 58%, very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for GRT that I shared on 22nd of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal, bad move that GRT completed with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can see that after the completion of this final leg of this bad move, the price line was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line for some correction. And once it will be re-entered the buying zone, that we can buy it within this potential reversal line. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line once again dropped down, re-entered the buying zone here and here. Then we had a very nice reversal. And so far, it has pumped almost 58%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let's move to the live chart of GRT. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it was moving inside this channel. And now recently here on 7th of November 2024, we have broken out the resistance. And recently the GRT has also broken out this quite long-term resistance of 30 cents as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 30 cents has been previously working as a very strong support here and almost as a resistance here. And now again, it is breaking as a resistance on the 7 days time frame chart. The price line is still trying to break it out. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see that we have clearly broken out the resistance, and the next candlestick is also open above the resistance of 30 cents. And now it can move to the next resistance here at 55 cents. That is also another quite long-term resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 55 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here and support here. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this smaller down channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 48 cents. And if the price line reaches the resistance of the bigger up channel, you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, the price line of GRT is also moving inside this up channel. Then it can hit the resistance of this up channel somewhere here, approximately at 72 cents. And in case of breaking out this up channel, the technical target for the breakout from this up channel will be here. That will be approximately at $2.93. That is very close to the target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel as well. And that target is very close to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.